Hi everyone, welcome to level 9 of Business Analyst Cash course. In this level, we focus on documentation, which is the backbone of clear communication in IT projects. As well, a well-documented requirement ensures everyone, developers, testers, and stakeholders are on the same page. So let's understand why the documentation matters important. So documentation is more than just writing things down. Business process mapping includes like business problem mapping, current state versus future state, functional and non-functional requirements, ensure everyone on the same page. Okay. So proper documentation prevent miscommunication and cause mistakes also. So let's take one example worksheet, how we're gonna do. So here is a worksheet demo on online application systems. So you are asked to document the current state workflow, identify gaps and inefficiencies, document the future process, lead functional and non-required. So we're going to do 30 worksheets for the different scenarios. So the current flow is manual verification of documents, delay in loan approval, future state is automated verification via API, fast loan. So these are just for the demo purpose, but we'll do in detail, okay? So your key points for you. So the main purpose is clear documentation, prevent miscommunication. We already discussed. Help developers and testers understand exact requirements, support process improvement and audits. These skills are what make you strong, job ready BA. Okay. So we'll meet, and this is one worksheet from level 9 and the full program. You have to complete daily worksheet to practice structured documentation. So the next level 10 covers Agile team ceremonies and using Jira Confluence, which ties everything together in real IT project. So I'll see you guys in next demo. Thank you.